Okay, we're jumping back into writing out an animal function temperament for NF, NT, ST, SF. And we're going to write out the functions next. Okay, so again, be mindful that this is supposed to be spaced out a lot further, so this has nothing to do with this type, or these bundles of functions. So we can just pretend we don't see that, and then just, okay, so what did we write out? We wrote out DI 1 to 2 NF consume, and then 2 to 4. Okay, so I guess now we're saying, like, in terms of writing out animal function temperaments, is it necessary to include directionality for each animal function? Is it? Because normally I've been only including it for the first, but I think it's important to include it for the second. So what would this be? Let's write it out. So writing it out, it's DI 1 to 2 NF consume, OE 2 to 4 NT play, OI 3 to 4 ST blast, and DI 1 to 3 SF sleep. So how do we continue writing out this animal function temperament? Well, we know, since this is the consume and blast axis, that this is going to be the sleep and play axis. So if this is sleep or play, then we're talking about DI 1 to 2 or DI 1 to 3. So we can write this out. DI 1 to 3 NF. Okay, I found it. DI 1 to 3 NF. Are you following with me? NF-NT, 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 sleep blast. DI 1 to 3 NF-NT, sleep blast. Okay, I'm struggling with the next one. ST. Is it consume or is it play? ST. How would we figure this out? Pause. Okay, so we figured out, because it's NF-NT, FI plus NI, NI plus TE, that if the third is ST, then we're saying it's going to be 2 to 4. Why? Because the only other option is that it's 1 to 2, but it can't be 1 to 2 because there's no connection with FI or NI. It's diametrically opposed to NF. So we'll carry this on in the next entry, but this is how we solved it. ST play.